Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glendy and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing some e.l.f. makeup that I ordered. I've been using e.l.f. makeup products more because I've been watching some YouTubers and they have been using the e.l.f. and I have some of them and they've been really good. So I just wanted to try some of these out. So here is some of the things that I bought. So here it goes. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, here I have this was our gift to you. Thanks for being e.l.f.ing amazing. This was a product that you got for free when you spent $25, I think, or more. And this is the highlighting brush. Yes. Oh, I like that. It's really cute. Okay, and we have the Total Face Sponge Duo. Use wet or dry. I have heard good reviews about this, so I wanted to try them out. Let's see how they feel. Probably don't they feel soft. And it has like the slant here and it's pointing here. And it does brings two of them. Okay. And I also got the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter Apricot Glow. Baked highlighter. Then I also got the Bite-Size Face Duo Guava. It has the two colors here. And then I got the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. I want to try this out. I have been using the Super Hydrate a moisturizer with hydrating, I don't know how to say that, but then I've been using that and it has been hydrating me because I've been feeling a little, your skin sometimes gets a little dry, so I have been using that and it has been working, so I figured I'll try out the face cream too. Okay. Then I have the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. And then I bought the new Hydrating Cameo Concealer. I bought it in medium peach. There. To conceal, contour, and highlight. I gotta try that. Full coverage. And the last thing that I got here, I wanted to try this. e.l.f. Plus Glow Dewy Mist. Oh, I got all these things because I think there was a 40% off sale going on. And then, so I wanted to try all these things, these new things. So, I got a few things from there. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And see you guys soon. Bye.